Today, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts on Xero. This is essential for keeping accurate financial records and ensuring all your business expenses are properly documented with their supporting evidence. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password to access your Xero account. After logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a plus icon. This is the Create New button, and it's your gateway to adding various transactions and records in Xero. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this selection, choose Spend Money. This option is specifically designed for recording expenses and allows you to attach receipts directly to your transactions. Next, you'll need to choose a bank account associated with this transaction. This is important because it tells Xero which account the money was spent from, helping you maintain accurate bank reconciliations. Now it's time to enter the details for this transaction. Fill in the recipient name, which is the person or business you paid. Then enter the date when the transaction occurred and add a reference if needed. This reference could be an invoice number or any other identifier that helps you track this expense later. Moving on to the item list section, you'll need to add the specifics of what was purchased. Start by adding the item name, then provide a description to give more context about the purchase. Enter the quantity of items bought, followed by the unit price. You'll also need to select the account. This expense should be categorized under, and finally choose the appropriate tax rate. This ensures your expense is properly categorized for accounting and tax purposes. Now here's the key part, attaching your receipt. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Add File icon. This icon looks like a paper sheet with a folded edge, making it easy to spot. When you click it, a selection menu will appear giving you options to either upload a file or add from the file library. For this tutorial, we'll use the Upload a File option. Click on it and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. Navigate to where your receipt is saved, select the receipt file you wish to attach, and then click Open. The receipt will now be attached to your transaction. Once everything is filled in and you've double-checked all the details are correct, click on the Save button. This will record your expense along with the attached receipt in Xero. And that's it. You've successfully added a receipt to your transaction in Xero, keeping your financial records organized and complete. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.